Hello everyone, this is Shireen. Today I have come up with very interesting project. As you can see, there are so many things lying on my desk, and from the candles and the glasses you can make out that I'll be creating candle holders. Yes, I'll be showing you 5 ideas to create candle holders, and they are super easy. Anyone can do it. And please hit the like button if you really like my video. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. You will need a glass, and these are the rhinestones. These were very cheap on budget. I got it from my local store. I'm just pulling out each row and sticking it on the glass. These are self adhesive, so I do not need any extra glue to glue them. This is my winter theme candle holder. You can see I'll be using blue and white color. You can see how pretty it looks. Just for finishing touch, I'm adding these flowers. I've cut it from my cutter. These are glitter foam flowers. For another, you will be needing a glass again, and the colors. These are two golden colors which I'll be using. You will need a sponge and a twine. You can see I'm just wrapping the twine on the glass, and now taking both the golden colors. These are slightly different from each other, so I'll be mixing both of them and using them. With a sponge, I'm grabbing the colors and dabbing it on my glass. While the paint is wet, I'm just sprinkling some golden glitter on the paint just to give it a glittery effect. That's it. Now the paint is dry, so I will be removing the twine. Later you will see some texture on the glass. It is because of the colors which I've used, the metallic colors. If you don't like texture, then you can use the spray paint and use the same technique. You can see the lines which has been created by the twine. I really like how it has turned out. It really gives a unique look. For next, you will need a wine glass, a little bigger one, a flower, some pearls. These are crystals, also water. Just put some crystals inside the glass. Now the pearls. And a flower. You can take any flower you want, any color. Now pour the water. And the candle will float. You can see how beautiful it looks, and it just took 1 minute to create this, and it looks really amazing on your dining table or any table, side table, anywhere you want to place it. I will recommend you to create this one because it was really super easy to create, and I'm sure you will love it. For next, you'll need a glass and a mesh. I have used this mesh before in one of my videos. I'll give you a link below if you want to see that. You just need to stick the mesh with a glue gun on the glass and wrap it around, and it will give a beautiful look. For the last one, you will need a wine glass, some flowers. You can take any flowers you want to, a mirror, and these were leftover ornaments from Christmas, and a candle. So these were the 5 ideas on creating candle holders. I hope you like them. Just let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.